Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. This is obviously our dyno room. On a dyno today, we got one of our specials. This is an LS7 441 cubic inch engine. We do a lot of these LSs now. Between you and me, I think we're the best in the country. We have some really great combinations. This happens to be a special use engine. It also happens to have a combination that produces high torque in a 650 to 660 foot-pound range, which is very unusual for LS engines. That's why we call it a special use engine. It also makes gobs of horsepower. Happens to be based on a brand new aluminum LS7 block. Got a brand new eagle rotating assembly in the bottom end. Get the Liberty Performance part cylinder heads. We put our own special valve springs, retainers, seals, all good stuff. Custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft that we designed for this particular application. Brand new rocker arms underneath. One-piece push rods from Manley. This customer wanted these black Chevrolet valve covers. Look really nice with the black Phi-Tech intake manifold. He's also going to have an alternator-only system on here for March. All good stuff, done custom painted. The block is beautiful, gorgeous, gloss black color. Don't know if you can see it in the video, but one of our specialties here is when Doug paints up a custom color. It could be a color, you know, from an OEM car or something you see in a book, but we're pretty good at matching that stuff, and he does a great job with custom paint. So if you want that, if you're interested in something like that, it's a bit of an upcharge, but it's one of our specialties here for Proformance Unlimited. Of course, like I said, this features the Phi-Tech DFI system.
Matt, on our LSs, it's included in the job.
Included in the job, so there you go. That's a nice bonus there for all you LS lovers out there. Like I said, all good stuff in this engine, all quality throughout. No cheap parts in here. It's got the 102 millimeter throttle body on this particular combination because it's making over 700 horsepower. So we like to up the throttle bodies to the 102 from the 92. But the power level is excellent, and it's also in the right place. It's in a nice, usable range. Don't have to turn this motor 7,000 RPM for it to run good. I think you're really going to be impressed. I'm sure if you go online, you'll be able to see a similar dyno run that Steve will post for you, so you can see the torque and horsepower numbers. And of course, like I said, if you're interested, give us a call at 800-267-3940. Check us out, customcrateengines.com by Proformance Unlimited. Not only LS engines, but any kind of V8 engine from the 60s all the way up to the mid-2000s with our LS series. We're also going to be starting to do some Coyote engines in the near future, and I'm sure we'll be the best at doing those too. Once again, appreciate you tuning in. Check us out on the web or give us a call. We're here for you. Any kind of engine you want, we can build it for you. Everybody have a good day out there.
Okay, Julius, we got your Chevy LS7 engine here on the dyno. It runs phenomenal. We're going to fire this bad boy up for you. Best thing about when we do our motors that we tune them all in and run great and everything is checked, and this is the way to do it. LS7 Chevy.